Look who's here! Hey guys, this is Anika and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. How are you guys doing and what are your plans for Christmas or holiday in general? What's your plan? I want to know. I'm sorry. So today I have this particular look for you guys. This is a very golden, smoky, half-cut crease look that is so simple to do. You don't even have to use a concealer to cut your crease. It's that freaking simple. Look is perfect for holidays, Christmas that's coming up very soon. I hope I can get this video up before Christmas or else it's gonna be so bad, like really bad. Yeah. First things first, I've already cleansed my skin with a foaming cleanser. Now you can use any cleanser that you prefer. And right after that, I have used the Derma E Vitamin E 12,000 UI cream. Now this is a really great moisturizer right here. This is good for anyone with oily combination to dry skin. I wouldn't recommend this to anyone with oily skin though, because it is on the thicker side, so I don't think many will like it if you have oily skin. I mean, now we're gonna get into makeup. So today for primer, I'll be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. This particular baby right here, it's so mattifying that I only put it around my T-zone because that's where I tend to oil up the most. So you really need the tiniest amount. This is a little bit goes a long way. Moving on to the foundation, I'll be using the Born This Way Undetectable. I have been in love with Too Faced Born This Way foundation for all this while, and I have no idea that it was called Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable. Cool. I'll be using this baby right here. My shade is Sand. Ooh, it's made in Canada. My sister's in Canada. I like Canada product because of that. I just took one pump right on my hand. I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to color correct. Damn it. Okay, I'm just gonna let my foundation be here. Today I'm going to give this baby a try. This is the NYX Full Coverage Concealer. I'm using the orange. The camera, it looks so orange. It's not that crazy looking in real life. A brush. You can use your hand or whatever you prefer. So I'm basically just dabbing a really small amount of product. You don't really need a lot of color corrector to correct, focusing it on the areas that I need to correct, and then slowly blending it out. I am putting the color corrector on my pimple scars. I like to work in sections. I put foundation in small dots in one part of my face, and then I'll blend everything out and then move to the other side. This way I will know whether I need a lot of product in a certain area or not. So I say this in every video, I like to color match with my body because my face and my neck is about 2 shades darker than the rest of my body. So always drag your foundation down to your neck. I know this looks crazy right now. This looks very, very crazy, but at the end of the makeup, it will look like my shade, and yeah, it will match. Everything will match. Just don't worry. Trust the process. Concealer, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 330. I don't know much about eye primer, so I don't use it at the moment. Because of that, I just put my concealer on my eyes And I never really had a problem with my eyeshadow creasing, so this is completely fine. But if you have a really oily eyelid, I will highly recommend you look into eye primer. If I find one, I'll show you guys. I'm going to do a bit of creamy bronzing, and for that I'll be using the ColourPop concealer Deep Dark 52. To set my under eye and my T-zone area, I'll be using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. I'll be using the darker shade in this palette to bronze, basically set my cream bronzer. My skin looks pretty okay right now. Even up close it looks nice. I'll be doing one of my eye and I'll be right back. So I've already done one of my eye, and this is a very simple golden eye look. This particular palette, this is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. Right over here, this is a popular dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette right over here. Now this is my go-to palette, Ride and Die palette, but I thought that maybe I should just try the cheaper alternative and see how I feel about it. So let's get to it. Now I'm just drawing up my crease. Wow, Anika, wow. Going to blend the top. Now I'm going to tightline my eyes using the Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. This particular one from ColourPop, this is in the shade Honey Dude. Rimmel London Exaggerate Eyeliner in the shade 100% Black. This is, guys, one of the best eyeliner, and it's so easy to use. Just look at that. This is perfect for anyone who's just starting out eyeliner. It's so simple to use. This is the one for you. Get it. Rimmel London, Singapore, if you're watching this, please sponsor me, because I always use this product. You should sponsor me. Yeah. For mascara, I'll be using this particular bad boy. This is the Tarte Big Eagle. You know what? For my inner corner, I'll use this highlighter. This is from Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold. For blush today, I'll be using this particular one. This is the Tarte Blush Authority. Oopies. This one in the shade Yours Truly, Into You, and Playtime. So I'll be using Playtime and Into You together. And at the tip of my nose. For highlighters, I'll be using this I'll also put a bit on my brow bone. To set my entire look right now, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Drawing my lip with this City Colors lip liner in the shade Raisin. For lips, I'm using MAC D for Danger. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? I think it looks not bad. I mean, this is that one look that I would wear when I'm not sure what kind of eye look I want to go for or what lips I want to go for. I try to keep my eye a bit subtle. I mean, this is subtle to me, so it might be crazy for you, but this is quite subtle to me. I can do this in 5 minutes. Okay, that is a lie. I can totally do this look in 20 minutes if I'm not talking. It's a great holiday look, so if you are planning to glam up for Christmas, you can totally do this look. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you've liked this look, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I make another video. I mean, when I post another video. You get the gist, right? You hear this in every video made by anyone, right? Alright, so with that, bye. This is Moochki, my second hamster. Hello.